Hey, it's Nate, and today we're at the Grand Mosque in Abu Dhabi. Ah, that's
Get all my peace signs out the way.
no, for real. No more peace signs. You mean I can't do this when I get in there? He did say we got to enter in through the mall. Wow. Ooh, some smell good. Huh? Seem to do what? Oh, that's Cinnabon smelling like that.
Alright guys, so first thing we're gonna do for the moment, your dress code, okay? So let me check who will need abaya.
Okay, so before you go into the mosque, you have to make sure you have on the proper clothing. So we are about to get changed.
Good job. So what have you done? I think and on the way outside once you get out in the boot, you can make some picture like peace upon you. Salam alaikum. And the answer alaikum assalam like peace upon you too. Yeah.
Alaikum assalam.
Oh! You look nice.
Thank
Wow. Oh my gosh. I don't even have any words. I just had to get us both on here. I just had to get us both on here in our traditional dress.
you. Tradition.
Well, I never thought I would have on a baya. Like I don't know. Oh wow, this place is beautiful. Where did that group go? Uh-oh. So the Grand Mosque in Abu Dhabi is actually the 4th largest mosque in the world. But didn't he say this is the most expensive? I believe this one is the most expensive in the world. Like how they do in the United Arab Emirates. They always gonna do it up. That is marble, you guys.
Handicraft, right? For example, look at these flowers. Come closer. Come closer. So, have a look, guys. To make one flower, how many pieces of marble they have been cut in? So
wow.
We had specialist teams. Guys, we had over 250,000 artists lived here for 11 years just to complete the mosque project. Because we had specialist teams to cut out the white part. We had another team to cut out the colored ones. And we had another team just putting the pieces next to each other.
Wow.
So, as I told you earlier.
Okay, so let me give you a rundown of everything that our tour guide just said. So basically, the mosque is made of marble because marble is a natural material, and this is so that they can keep the mosque forever. It's not about being rich. It's about sustainability, basically, making sure that it lasts long. But also, these pillars up here, or these gold pieces on the outside of the mosque are 24 karat solid gold. And it's not about being rich, it's about it being able to last forever. Also, these domes have nothing to do with the religion. It's so that when it's time to pray, well, back before they had microphones and things like that and speakers, when it was time to pray, they needed the domes to create the echo so that the people who were in charge of notifying everyone when it was time to pray, their voices could travel. This is inside of one of the domes. This is 100% handcrafted marble from Italy. Wow. This flower on the wall is one piece.
From far away, it looks like the flowers have been attached to the wall, which is not visible. So right now we are walking on the largest mosaic handmade courtyard in the globe, which is here in Sheikh Zayed Mosque. So guys, if you'd like to have a nice picture of this spot, use your wide angles and reach out the last line to shoot the whole mosque.
Is it time to pray? Oh my gosh. My po phone's so hot. That's outrageous. I gotta bring out my synonyms for this place. Wow.
you like to go now straight to the mall? Sure. We'll just. No, I give her already for codes for four of you.
So,
Right? So she have. You trust her.
what would you rate the Grand Mosque?
15.
15 out of 10.
Very, very important business.
Important prayer business. Yeah, y'all, this place is beautiful. This is definitely something that another thing that you need to see to really get the full experience. Like, you have to come here and realize this place is beautiful, and just learning about like the religion and the culture and the difference between culture and religion. A lot of things that we know about the Middle East or the Emirates or the Muslim religion, a lot of that stuff gets confused and jumbled up together. So when you take these tours, you really get to learn a lot about, I mean, everything. Like, I feel so enlightened. And I tried to record as much as I could on camera, but like a lot of the things that we have experienced on this trip, the camera doesn't know justice. Like, look at this. This place is beautiful. It's been very informative. Like, our tour guide was great. I feel like I've learned so much, and there's still so much more to learn. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and go inside because it's 109 degrees today. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button and the notification bell, because we are still not done with Dubai and Abu Dhabi and everything over here. See you next time. Boy, those flowers are huge. Y'all, this is a replica of what we just were outside looking at. That's crazy. They got the lights showing the glistening water. They got the cars on the road. Look at the little cars. That's nice. You see how they got the water glistening?